Yicheng Automation was founded in 2007 and is committed to the customized production of non-standard automated assembly equipment. The equipment adopts a modular design to meet the various production needs of customers, provide customers with efficient and accurate automated assembly solutions. The equipment adopts a user-friendly interface, easy operation, and low maintenance cost. With intelligent detection system, automatic feeding, assembly, and detection to ensure the stable quality of each product. It helps to improve production efficiency and reduce labor costs. High-speed operation mode achieves high precision, and the output per shift can reach 5,000 pieces. The assembly speed is 3 times that of manual assembly while reducing production costs by 30%. The Switch series assembly equipment has the common characteristics of high efficiency, automation, and intelligence. It can meet the mass production needs of various Switch products, widely used in electrical home appliances, automobiles, and other industries. Yicheng Automation equipment makes your production more efficient and smarter. Our equipment has been successfully used in many famous factories such as Schneider, Panasonic, Legrand, Molex, Shijie, Taili, Omron, Junin, Cherry, CHNT, Defeng, Havels, Dongguan, etc., helping them to achieve fully automated production. For more information, please visit our website or contact our sales team.